Today is day 1 of my 3-week wellness sabbatical. So, what is my wellness sabbatical? This wellness sabbatical is just about being really intentional about my wellness and my healing journey. So, my first stop is by Jo-Hanna. Jo-Hanna is an expert yoga instructor, and I'll be staying in this cozy room and getting up in the mornings to do my yoga with Jo-Hanna. I just want to concentrate on stretches and doing what I can to incorporate intentionally movement into my routine and just doing the stretches. I really feel that I need the stretches, right? And just the other elements of wellness and just being intentional, without the added pressures of life. Yeah, sometimes you have to get out of your surrounding and your situation and go into a space that is focused primarily on what you're trying to achieve. So that's what I'm doing for these 3 weeks, starting here with Jo-Hanna. And I'm just really excited about this journey and everything that I will be doing and everything that I will be learning on this journey. I am open to being open, yeah, and just learning, because as I said in another video, life is about learning and relearning and unlearning and relearning and learning, and I'm all for it, because sometimes the knowledge that you have may not be applicable in a particular situation, but when the time comes and when a particular situation comes, then you can draw back on your knowledge base and say, oh, let me try this, what I learned that at that point in time. So I'm really open to learning and just leaning in and listening to my intuition, one, and just following my gut and just doing what I need to do on this journey. Jo-Hanna welcomed me with open arms, and she had tangerine and sweet sop for me on my arrival. So Jo-Hanna left me this thank you card, right? And it says, appreciate you, Stas, thanks for the support. But I appreciate her and I'm thanking her for the support. But yes, see my fruits here and my teacup. And she also had the welcome soup. I will allow Jo-Hanna to tell us what's in this welcome soup. All right, Chef Jo-Hanna.
Oh my days.
What's in the soup?
Okay, so it's a real mix up. So it's chickpeas, red lentils, pumpkin, celery, squash, just everything just cut up. The usual suspects cut up real fine, and little corn. Oh, there's a corn in there. And then some stuffed dumplings. So the stuffed dumplings, they also have some cut up vegetables with little sauce, little tomato sauce. It's gonna be a different
mix of
experience.
flavors.
Yeah,
Okay.
mix of flavors in the mouth. I hope you like it.
I will, I'm sure of it.
Yeah.
This is so thick and nice, just the way I like it. Ooh.
Fluffy soup.
Yeah.
Perfect.
I'm going to be sharing as much as possible as I can anything I learn or any form of inspiration that comes to me throughout this journey. I will share it. I'm thinking that I'll do a daily vlog in terms of sharing exactly what happens every day, what I'm eating, that sort of thing. If I'm able to do that, I will definitely do that. But yes, so I am taking this wellness sabbatical seriously, taking my healing seriously. I must say that I am happy, I'm grateful that I'm able to do this, and I'm just grateful for the support I have on this journey. There are many people that have to go at things alone, not because they want to, but because they have to. They have no support. But I am grateful that I have support of family and friends who are with me. They are with me, they are with me, they are supporting me, and I am grateful for that. I'm going to be having some tea now before bed. brought my herbs, my moringa, soursop, and my noni. That's how serious I am. Just in case Jo-Hanna didn't have any, I brought mine to make my herbal tea. Alright, so I'm going to get ready for bed now. I'm going to take out my yoga clothes and then I'm gonna go to bed. I have yoga with Jo-Hanna at 7 a.m. But I want you to leave some positive vibes and energy in the comment section. So you can either comment the words positive vibes, you can comment the words positive energy, or you can comment the word retreat. Whatever you want to say, wish me some positive vibes and energy on my wellness sabbatical. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next video. In fact, watch another video.